So here is Luan Oliveira, one of the most creative and tech skaters we have out here. Was brilliant in the prelims yesterday.
Luan has got the shove it tricks down, that big swing board slide. Switch, frontside 360.
Luan's averaging a really impressive 7.9 in the flow section this year.
Right there, 180 switch crooks. This is a super solid run too, right here, Luan. He usually comes through with the runs though.
Yeah.
Nollie heel. It's on the other sections where he seems to have a little trouble, but that was a super solid first run.
Luan is the only SLS pro to make every final so far this year, 4 straight. His score coming in at 7.8. We have a new leader.
Look at how high you catch those nollie heel flips.
Here's Luan Oliveira, already an 8.6. So smooth. Luan, the only skater here in the control section with 3 straight makes.
Luan's confusing us with the terminology on the nollie 180 switch crooks coming out.
He has the tendency to do that. An 8.8 besting his score.
That's up to you guys. All right.
So important to get those first attempts under your belt scored. Here's Luan Oliveira.
Oh, with the hard flip. That's the trick that Nigel won with in Barcelona, and Nigel's not here. Luan said, I'll take it.
Look at this view, an 8.5. Luan sneaky good with those hard flips. That's the exact same score that Nigel Houston got, coincidentally, to win the Barcelona.
I would hope so. I hope to stay in the running.
Here's Luan. He has a 9 in the impact section from Kansas City a couple weeks ago.
There's the frontside flip.
He's able to land that frontside flip. He sits in 6th place, but an 8.0 jumps him up into 4th. So clean.
Super solid.
So with Luan jumping up to 4th, bouncing around here with the final attempts coming up. This is the 5th of 6 attempts from Luan Oliveira.
Switch frontside kickflip. Almost falling off there on the landing, but that worked.
Some incredible scores here today. Another solid 8.0 jumping Luan all the way up into 2nd.
Look at that, his toes hanging off, but he fixed it right on the landing.